Hey guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a vision board for 2020. If you guys are not familiar with what a vision board is, it's basically a tool that helps you clarify and manifest your life goals. I like to do this at the end of each year after I do some reflection and as I'm looking forward to the next year. And 2020 is right around the corner, so it's a perfect time to be doing this. So I'm going to be walking you guys through how I make my vision board, everything that you need, and hopefully it'll inspire you guys to plan for the new year. So pretty much on a vision board, it's kind of like displaying your ideal life. It's basically putting together pictures, words, and just like imagery that represents the things that you want. Whether it be getting a new job or moving to a new home, whatever it may be, it's basically up to you. There's really no wrong way of doing it. It's kind of just whatever you want to put out there, is that what you want to manifest. It basically uses the law of attraction to take your ideas and your goals and turn it into your reality. Because it is a visual representation that you're viewing on a daily, you're pretty much like training your mind to go after the things that you want to make sure that it happens. It's a really great manifestation tool that I've been using for probably like 2 years now. I really enjoy making these because I'm able to get creative and set new goals for myself for the new year. And so if you guys are interested in learning how to make a vision board for 2020, please keep watching. All right, so here are all the supplies that you're gonna need to make your vision board. First, you're gonna start off with your board. I'm using this black poster board that I got like at my local craft store. You can literally use anything. You can even use like a small notebook or something and just take up a few pages for your images. Here's my imagery. I like to print my images out myself from the computer, but you can also find images from like magazines and books that represent whatever you are trying to manifest. You also need some scissors and some tape or whatever you want to affix your images to the board with. And then you can add any extra like decorative things to build your board and make it more personalized to you. I feel like the hardest thing about making a vision board is actually coming up with your goals and everything that you want to manifest. I have a blog post that I will link in the description box down below that has some journal prompts that could possibly help you list out your goals for the new year. There's questions related to like career, relationships, and finance. And what I like to do is I like to kind of take the time and just like sit down and reflect on my previous year and look at the resolutions that I did and didn't accomplish from the year before, and then kind of revamp that into making a new list for the next year. And when you're making these lists of your goals and everything that you want to manifest, you want to be super specific with it. Try not to keep it broad. So for example, if you're trying to get like a new job, don't just put that you want a new job. Be really specific about it, whether it be I want to get a fashion job, or I want to move up within my company and become a manager position, or whatever that may be. Be very specific in that and write those down. Also, a tip that I have too is not only focus on like your career and your finance, but also just like your own personal like mindset is really important. I think that everything starts with that. And if you can work towards building your mental health and a positive attitude, I think that goes a long way too. I feel like we're in this era of so much self-love and self-improvement, and I'm a really big fan of that too. And I think that's really important to include that in your vision board, because that's just gonna set the tone for your whole year and just put out that positive energy that you need when you're manifesting your goals. Okay, so once you cut everything out, what I like to do is I like to group it into different categories, whether it be like purchases, like these are like investment pieces that I want to buy for myself, business, travel, and business again. So I kind of just like to group them first before I spread it out on my board. And then you can spread out all your images throughout your board to kind of set its place before you actually tape it all down. And then once you have everything placed out where you want to paste it, then you can take your tape or whatever you're using to adhese it to your board and then start taping it down. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I make my vision board for 2020. I think it's a really fun project to do at the end of the year to kind of reflect and then look forward to the new year. I hope I inspired you guys to make your own vision board to manifest the things that you want. On my Mantra Co page, I have some templates that I made to reflect on 2019 and also look forward to 2020. That's like a little fun thing that you can post on Instagram. If you guys are interested in getting those templates, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.